Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Alright guys, as you can see with my title on the video, it states copy paste ads and instant cash solution. Okay, now I want to show you guys before we get started. Let me tell you, I've got some company over, so you may hear some noise in the background, some voices, so disregard that. But I want to get this video out real quick this evening. Okay, most of you that's been following me, I am a part of copy paste ads. Love it. It's a great system. But I want to show you the comparison for both programs, Instant Cash Solution and copy paste ads. And yes, I am a part of Instant Cash Solution, I may say. And I want to show you real quickly. I'm going to highlight the points that I saw, what actually made me want to sign up with Instant Cash Solution, because I was already in copy paste ad system. Okay, they're both great programs. They both are copy paste ad systems. They both have back offices where you can track your sales and all that. But I'm just going to highlight real quick what attracted me to it. Okay, but before I do that, I'm just going to show you this landing page, okay, that I'm on. I'm going to scroll down a little bit so you can check it out. It's really nice. They just changed it up. Okay, but I like it. I'm going to check it out. Hold on. I'm going to scroll down so you can see it. Okay. This is a really nice landing page. 90-second video right there. Right here. It says, who is this system for? Okay. And it lists some people that will be interested in it. Right here we have videos, testimonials, okay, and we have some testimonies right here on the page. And as we go down, let me just show you. This thing lags, guys, when you do videos. It just goes slower. Comp plan, okay. I want to kind of just stop here, because this is what got my wheels turning. Okay, copy paste ads has 1 level. Instant Cash Solution has 4 levels. Okay, so the income potential is greater. Number 1. Okay, I saw that. I'm like, awesome. It's still instant pay. Okay, same concept, but you get a little more over here as far as marketing is concerned. Okay, it breaks down the levels right here. Okay, then I'm going to go down on this page. It also shows income proof, so when people land here they can see that. Okay, then right here it gives you the options of what's included with each level. I'm at the platinum level. Okay, and the admin fee is the same for all levels except the $500 level. I thought that was pretty interesting, and that's pretty cool, because a lot of programs, they have a high admin fee. This one doesn't. Okay, if you look to the left, it gives you all the features you get with each level. Okay, and I'm gonna let you guys go through my funnel and check it out. Okay, so that you can look at it a little further. I like that they have a weekly training every week. Right now it's at the end of the year, so training will start back up in January. Okay, so I attended the one on Tuesday, and there won't be any more training until January, the new year. But here's some more features. Okay, so I just made a highlight. I'm going to switch over here and show you the notes that I made, because like I said, they're both are very similar. It's just a matter of capture pages. You have a little more capture pages in copy paste ads, but this is what got me. It was the levels. Okay, I like the idea of having these 4 levels: $100 level, $200 level, $300 and $500 level. Okay, and this is the website. You're going to go to postedforprofits.ws. Okay, get started. Go check it out. Now, this is what I liked. You have more options to receive payments, which is great. You have Solid Trust, Authorized.net, Voila. You can accept with Instant Cash Solutions. Okay. This is the other thing that I liked right here mostly. The images. Okay. They give you images. 18 images. I actually counted them out. Here we go. My screen was going slow. 18 Craigslist images to use in your Craigslist job postings. You would use this for the job posting section. I'm going to show you what some of those look like. Okay. That was my main thing. The Craigslist images and the levels, and then the training that you're going to get every week. Okay. Now, Copy Paste Ads has, let's see here, got me some notes. They give you 100 places to post ads. Okay, so that's a difference. And then they also give you the auto text reply software. Okay, basically what that is really SMS Phone Leads. Okay, where they give you a phone number and give you a number to text to. Okay, that's included with Copy Paste Ads. Whereas Instant Cash Solutions, you can just purchase it, guys, from my link. SMS Phone Leads, you can just purchase the SMS Phone Leads from my link. Get that. It's 20 bucks one time. You get a number and 100 credits. So you can do the same thing over here. You just have to get SMS Phone Leads. But overall, my biggest thing was the Craigslist images and the 3 other additional income streams. Okay, so I'm going to show you that. Hold on one second. Alright, I am in the resource section under the Craigslist section. Okay, for example, here's an image ad. Okay, this is a picture. It's not a text ad. It's an image with the text already embedded. So all we have to do is paste the link for this particular page into the Craigslist ad. Okay, so this was very captivating to me. And we have 18 of these back here. And from the meeting that I was on Tuesday, they're going to be adding more and more and more. So this is also going to get better and better. So I like the marketing information that they had in this one a little bit more. They give a little more. The other one is great as well. I just saw a little more information here. See, Craigslist image ads. Okay, then right here they tell you how to post it, so you'll know right here this video walks you through it, as well as here's the steps right here, how to post your ad and use your image. But these are very captivating. I've already got lots and lots of leads. Matter of fact, I've already made a couple sales in this program. Okay, let me show you some more features back here in the back office. Okay, so I'm in the resources. There's banners, solo ads, text message marketing, classified ads. We have a sizzle call number, hot links, text messaging, Facebook group strategy. They have image ads for that as well, and a plethora of other training back here. Okay, so there's a plethora of information back here. And it has just a little bit more marketing with this one. Okay, so I had to get started with this because, first of all, I didn't want to leave any money on the table. If I have an opportunity to earn 3 levels of additional income, the system has already been proven and it just makes sense. I took action. So here I am. So let me show you some more from this back office. Let's see. Hang on one second. Okay. All right. I'm still in the back office, as you can see right here. I've got opt-ins already. As you can see, I'm right here. I'm at Platinum, as I stated. I've got leads already coming in. See, the system is set up basically the same. Banners, etc. It's just that they have a little more training with this one. Okay, I'm just thumbing through this. I'm going to let you go through my page. See right here? We have training every Tuesday, guys. Okay, but we won't have it again until January. Alright, so this is an awesome system. Copy paste ads, it does the same thing. The difference is you have a lot more training, you have a weekly training call, and you have image ads that you can use in your job section when you're posting these ads. You still can use 800 link. I'm doing that. You still can use text message marketing. All the other methods that we've been using, same thing, but you have some better marketing ads that you can use. So let me just show you. I did receive a $500 commission from this business already yesterday. I'm going to show you that. Hold on one second. Okay, as you can see right here, first I want to show you guys I've already been marketing this system. Right here you can see all my leads I've got coming in. 56 opt-ins came in on the 1st. So I've got leads already coming in. I've got sign-ups coming in. Matter of fact, one person actually just signed up this evening. And I'm waiting for them to be confirmed in the back office. But as of yesterday, there was a $500 sign-up that came through, and I'm going to show you the proof of that. But as you can see, I already have quite a bit of leads for this business. Okay, so if you're looking to get started in copy paste, take a look at this one too. I just want you guys to be able to compare the two. Both of them are great. I just want to give you some basics of both. One has 1 level, one has 4 levels, one has a little more marketing with it, training once a week, and a few other things. But just take a look at them both, guys. I'll put the link below for both of them, and you decide. Now, everybody that comes in at the $500 level with me, I have a special bonus for you. So reach out to me and I'll tell you what that is. But come in at the $500 level, you'll get more training anyway. There's a lot more that's included with the $500 level platinum. Okay, so but let me show you this $500 commission that came in. Okay, hang on. Okay, right here, I didn't want to display the person's name. $500 platinum. Okay, came in yesterday. Okay, it came in yesterday. So I've already made sales. I do have one other person. Well, 2 people came in, but only one looks like have paid, and it hadn't posted yet. So because we don't have to mark our people as paid, it's automatic. So I'm sure that'll show up tomorrow. But if you guys are looking for copy paste systems with a little more, just a little more marketing, a little more information, you definitely want to check out Instant Cash Solution. And again, if you come in at the $500 level, I've got a special bonus for you. Okay, so let me give you the site again. Okay, postingforprofits.ws. Okay, that's where you want to go and go through the funnel, check it out, jot down your questions, and give me a call. But remember, we've got 18 Craigslist images over here that you can use on your job postings when you post your ads, and we're going to be getting more. Okay, per our training on Tuesday, we're going to have a lot more of ads, text messages, a whole slew of information. And of course, you know, with everything I already know, I'm going to use it as well with this system. So you definitely want to get started with me. And of course, everybody that joined, doesn't matter what level you come in at, I'm going to post your first ad for you. But if you come in at the $500 level, I have a special bonus for you. Okay, so go through the funnel, postingforprofits.ws. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like the channel. Okay, like the video. Click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload the videos. Alright, guys, until next time, I'm going to see you on the next video. Oh, but before I go, let me show you one of my capture page. Make sure, make sure you come to a page like this, okay? Alright, guys, I'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.